YouTube, what's up? It's the Anonymous Sneakerhead back with another video for y'all. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. All that's out the way. Let's get into today's video. I'm really excited about this video right here. Y'all already saw what it is in the title and the description. I got those new Jordan 5, Michigan 5s, Inspire 5s, or Amarillo Navy, whatever you want to call it. I got the box right here. Y'all already know what it is. The big annoying Nike check, just do it box so that everybody in your neighborhood can rob you. Nike really needs to fix that. But let's get right into it. There we go. Boom. That looks good. I was worried because the box that it came in was a little beat up, but as y'all can see, it looks great. Got this nice little box. You see a lot of special Jordans come in this. I can't remember off the top of my head what was the last Jordan that came out with this box, but you know what it is. It has all those pictures of Jordan and his shoes, him jumping and doing Jordan things. Anyway, let's get this box out of here. Let's get into the review. Alright, y'all, here it is. Here's the box. Y'all already know what it is. You see the size 12. This is definitely, can you see it? I know the light's messing up. There it is, size 12. Got the QR code over there. Boom. Alright, so size 12, my size. This is definitely a personal pair as of right now. There's not much resale value on these. They're sitting. A lot of them are still on the sneakers app, but they're sitting in sizes like from 15 up. You could probably find them sitting somewhere for even regular sizes 12 down, even on GoDaddy StockX. They're only reselling for about $50 extra. So they're only reselling for about $275, which sounds like a lot, but when you consider, I just showed y'all the tag, the retail price on this shoe is $225. That is a lot of money for any shoe, let alone an Air Jordan. We're going to get into it. We're going to see if it's worth it. But I think that price tag is part of the reason why it's sitting. Boom. So we're going to open it up. Open it up just like any other Jordan that comes in this box. You got your black paper, and then underneath it there should be white paper. If you get one of these and you don't have black paper then the white paper, you have white then black or anything else, you got a fake. But boom. There it is. Y'all can see it. That Michigan 5. I just ripped that paper. I'm kind of mad about it, but whatever. I'm keeping this shoe. Let's get it out of here. Let's get into the review. Alright, y'all. So right away, first impression on the shoe. Obviously, I've heard a lot of other people talk about it, but it's really good quality. Really good quality. I heard everybody saying it was good quality, but I didn't have it in hand, and I have not, in my own hands, I have not seen a Jordan 5 with quality that was done this well. Good job by Jordan Brand, but still, is it worth $225? We'll see. It is a Michigan colorway, but it also has that second name, as y'all can see in here, Inspire, which is putting the tongue upside down. For those of y'all that don't know, they do this in Jordan 4s, Jordan 5s. I'm not sure if they do it in 3s. They might have started it in 3s, but the reason being is when these shoes first came out with this big tongue, a lot of people like to wear them with the tongue down because the whole Jordan tongue out thing, so they would wear it with the tongue out. Nike and Jordan Brand caught on to that, and they started putting the tags on the tongue upside down. Anyways, that's not important. Let's get into the shoe. You got this nice Michigan yellow here. The official colorway that the box gives you is Amarillo, which is just yellow in Spanish. It's a nice bright yellow. And this suede right here, it's a weird suede. It's really short hair. You can see the color changing. You know what I mean? It's a really short haired suede, but it almost feels like a leather suede hybrid, if that makes sense. It's really nice quality though. The stitching is done really well. As y'all can see with your Jordan 5 bottoms, you got your icy panels right here. And this is a navy blue. It is not black. These are not the Fab 5 Jordan 5s that you saw DJ Khaled had and some other people had. These are very similar to the Fab 5s though. It's everywhere where the Fab 5s where it was black, it's blue here, navy blue to go with Michigan. You got the clear mesh with the navy background. You got your navy tongue, and this is a 3M reflective tongue. I'll try to get a picture of that so you guys can see what it looks like with the flash on. Alright, now that you guys saw that, moving on, you still got your lace lock right here. Boom, just like on any other Jordan 5. And then the sock liner in here is amazing. I'm not sure. It feels almost like a nylon, and it's kind of perforated. It has some holes in there. It's probably going to be some really good cushioning. And then I did not forget about the back of the shoe. When you look at the heel of the shoe, it doesn't have the Jumpman. It doesn't have the Nike Air that it needs to have the Nike Air. It's not a good shoe. That's not the point of this shoe. This shoe, the colorway that they want to call it is the Inspire, which is why they put this Team Jordan tag on here. This shoe is to pay homage, obviously, to Michigan with the colorway, but to all of the schools, all of the colleges that Jordan Brand sponsors. So you have the Team Jordan tag back here. I'll zoom in so you guys can see that. You see that on a lot of Jordan jerseys. And we've seen this written before. It says, quality product. Quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. Say what you want. Is Jordan the greatest basketball player ever? Leave it in the comments. What do you guys think? But anyways, that's what this shoe is. Has the Team Jordan tag. Has the word inspire to inspire college athletes and college students. Now, is this shoe worth $225? I personally think that it is, and I'm going to tell you why. Reason number one, the shoe has great quality. I have not seen a 5 with this good of quality in a very long time. I haven't seen this toe box on a 5 in a long time. Recently, a lot of general release 5s have more square toe box that creases easier. It's not as pointed, and this one is more pointed. It's longer than the regular, well, not regular, but it's longer than the recent Jordan 5s that we've been getting, and it won't crease as easy. I'm still going to put a force field in here to keep it from creasing, but this shoe has, like I said, great quality. The second reason why I think it's definitely worth $225, like I said, this is a personal pair. I do plan on most likely wearing this shoe. However, I don't really see myself wearing it until the fall. I see it more as a fall shoe. Wear it with some joggers, some jeans, you know what I'm saying, some long pants. I don't see this really as a summer shoe. However, with that being said, these shoes will eventually sell out. They are sold out in the size 12, and they're sold out in most sizes. Like I said, the big sizes are still out there. Once the fall comes, I think this is a shoe that'll pick up momentum late. I think this will pick up hype late, and we may see, by the time October, November comes, we may see this shoe going for upwards of $300, which would be a good time to sell it. So definitely hold on to it, because at the end of the day, it is a Michigan 5. The only knock that I have on this shoe is just first reactions. This shoe looks amazing, right? Great quality. Like I said, the color is amazing. The color blocking on it is amazing. The one problem that I would have in this shoe, which isn't a huge problem for me, because I'm not necessarily a Michigan football or basketball or whatever fan, right? But on the tongue, I'll put a picture up there, but on older Michigan 5s or Michigan products in general, even the 12s, on older Michigan PEs, instead of a Jumpman, we get the Michigan M. I personally, like I said, like having the Jumpman and not the M, just because I'm not a Michigan hater. I don't hate Michigan. You know what I'm saying? I actually have a friend that plays football there. But I don't think that this takes too much away from the shoe. If anything, I think it adds value for the shoe for people like me who aren't Michigan fans. And maybe someone's like a Michigan State fan or Ohio State fan and just like, there's no way I could get a shoe with the M on it, with the Michigan M on it. And now they finally get a chance to closet be a Michigan fan and buy these Inspire 5 since they're not Michigans. But that's my review of the shoe, y'all. I showed you everything, man. Lace lock, the sock liner is crazy. You know what I mean? You got your little ankle bubbles like you do on all your 5s. Y'all saw the soles. These are going to be a pain to take care of, but I may do a video later showing on how I plan to take care of them. But yeah, now that all that's out the way, I'm going to give y'all an on foot. I'm going to get right back to y'all. I want y'all to leave in the comments what you think about it. Alright, YouTube, y'all got to see the on foot. I want you guys to let me know in the comments what you think. Are these Jordan 5 Michigans or Jordan 5 Inspires? Are they worth the $225 retail price tag? I personally think they are. The quality on them is amazing. It comes in an awesome box. You don't get to see that Jordan box that often. Personally, I think it's definitely worth $225. And if you see any of your sizes sitting, I would definitely recommend picking them up. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. As always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, share the channel, and make sure to follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. I'll see y'all at the next one.